Hello, Dane Canty here from STI Group, here today to show you how to assemble the Ferrero Madagascar 3 pallet display. First, what you will have is you will have your kits, obviously in the shipper. Inside the shipper, what you will receive is you will receive an assembly instruction. This is 8 pages of step-by-step guides of how to put the display together. It also has contents on the front. Inside the shipper will be one pallet tray, one roof, 4 small header cards as shown, 2 large header cards. You will also receive 4 left and right panels, and also 2 nest partitions, 1 nest top, and an insert. The first step, get your green pallet tray, open it up, and then what we do is we start with the long edges to roll fold over. So what you do is you open, fold where the center is, fold down. What this will do is you'll be able to lock it into the holes pre-cut out. You then do that with the other long edge as shown. Get the small corner edge, again roll fold so the tabs are tucking in underneath, and lock that into place as such. What this will do is bring the lip up. Again, repeat the process by getting the long edge, roll folding that across, and ensuring that on the small edge you tuck and fold those corner pieces. What this will do is hold up the tray part. Again, repeating the process for the third time, as shown. Folding and closing, ensuring that the tabs are slotting in to the holes provided. And lastly, to complete the pallet tray completed. Next stage, you will get the tray insert. Open this up, position roughly in the center of this stage, and ensure that you create a similar shape as what the tray is, as shown. Then we get the tray partitions from the pack, these 2 pieces. We then interlock them as shown. What we do now is we insert these into the insert. This will ensure that the insert is kept in the right position. Next stage is to get the partition top. We then insert that into the insert. What this does is it forms the shape, and we slide that down until in position as shown. From the pack of the new gen T192 Madagascars, there will be 8 per kit. You would already have assembled these, but I'll show you how to assemble as well, as these will be used on this pallet display. Folding down the trays, locking in position. We then go to the next tray, tucking in the side flaps and back flap. We are then inserting into the tuck point, which will hold the tray in place. Again, third tray, following the same positioning, and lastly the bottom tray. Locking into place as such. There you have it, an assembled T192. We then position one of these around each of the 4 sides. This will help position the pallet insert. Next step, then insert another 4 T192s into the corners, as shown. This will be the positioning for then putting the corner angle pieces, which are the next stage. The next stage is to assemble the corner parts. What I'll do is I'll show you how to assemble and lock into the unit so they're prepared to put around the pallet display. What we do first is we then get our side pouch, flip it over, pre-folds. As you'll see, the crease lines included. This will help you assemble these parts easier. As such, then we get the top tabs, also folding those, and the angle parts. First, you fold the shorter side over so you see where the tongues are going to be inserted. As such, we locate them into position. This will help in ease of locking, as shown. We then lock the top part in, again locating the tongue points into their slots and ensuring that these are securely locked into place, as such. Once you've assembled all 8 parts, there's 4 left side and 4 right side. This is a left side. The shorter side will have a strip of double-sided tape. It's actually red and it's quite hard to see, but you will be able to feel it and also see it when you're a little bit closer. What you do is you remove the top layer. Now, placing to the left side of your T192, position the bottom part first into the tray. We then locate, ensuring that you've got a level side to the top of the display, and then push the corner part together as shown. What this will do is it will help space the units evenly around the display and lock it in. The right side, as similar to the left side, again remove the double-sided tape. We again locate the base in first, as shown, and then securing to the side part of the tower. This will lock in the side parts and also provide the front portion of the display. Once you've completed positioning the left and right corner pieces around the other 3 sides of the unit, we will then show you how to assemble and affix the header cards. The next step is to get your 2 large header card parts. First, what we do is we crease and fold the end tab, which is on the left hand side. What this does is it opens up the 2 hole points with the other header card where the tongues are. We locate those into position where the holes and slot them together. Best way to do this is then we roll it over, get the other 2 sides. What we want to do again is fold back that last tab, locate the 2 tongue points to close the header card in one position. as shown. This completes the large header card. We then grab the assembled large header card. We position where the T192 display is on the long edge to the header. We then ensure that the header card is positioned over the other 4 displays in those positions. And what this does is it will slot down and lock in to place as shown. Next stage is we get our 4 small header cards. We then flip over where the 2 points are and the crease marks as shown. We then fold into a 90-degree angle as shown. This is to be positioned on the corner parts, locating the 2 slotting points on the side of the header. And this will fold in, and we do that on the other side. And that will just position into the display like such. We repeat the process around all 4 corners. Again, locating into the T192 and also ensuring that the slots are located in the large header card. We repeat this process until all the header cards are in position. Last stage, or the last step to this display, as you can see it's almost fully assembled, is the roof part. Unfold the roof so it's flat. We then partially fold where the crease marks are. What this will do is allow you to flip and assemble it's easier as opposed to when it's flat. Moving around the header. We then remove the centerpiece, that's the space point. We then peel off the double-sided tape layer. This will allow us to form the roof, ensuring that it lines up nicely with the crease mark down the side, and adding pressure to ensure the double-sided tape affixes in position as shown. Once the roof is assembled, we'll then quickly move to the display for a second. Where the header cards are positioned, we then fold back, because these will be our locating points to start with putting the roof on to the display. We move around to each side, folding those back. We then get the roof. What you're wanting to do is you're wanting to position the tab tongues where the smaller points are. We then slightly fold where the crease point is over that position, and again the tongue will fold in behind what we do is we then lock in the tabs. Move the front to the back. We then fold the side pieces in. And that will close in behind. Lastly, just ensuring that that fourth point is locked in. We then move to these parts. Stages to then fold the side parts on the extra flap of the roof. We locate that behind the character on each corner as shown, and we repeat that process around the four sides. And that completes assembly of the full pallet display. Thank you very much.